We've got a new project today. We've got to get the old C50 running and get it out of here. It's kind of my old standby rollback when I needed to haul something a little bit heavier than my other smaller rollbacks. It's got a Schwartz bed on it. Well, actually it's got a bunch of junk on it, but it's sitting on the Schwartz bed. I don't remember how long this thing is. It's like 21 foot, I think. Maybe 22. I don't know. Pretty decent size. Good Lord. Nothing pretty about it, but the old thing always worked good. Ran good. Because it's been a day or two since I've used it. Let's see. It tells, well, this one doesn't have the tag to tell how big it is, but it's kind of sinking into the ground because I think it's been 3 years. I think. And the last time I used it, I think, is when I decided to go ahead and put an electric fuel pump on it. Oh, it's still got a battery in it. I did not remember that. That's probably junk. But stuck a new carburetor on it and put an electric fuel pump on it. Let's see. What are the odds that that thing is not totally dead? Slim to none. But it's got the big block in it, but sort of a small big block. It's a 366. It's no powerhouse. It's got a 4 and a 2. The transmission's a 4-speed, and then it's got a 2-speed rear end. And well, there's been some critters living in here. This is, I may have to throw something down on the seat. This is pretty nasty. Yeah, that battery's dead. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some cleaning here too. Let's see. Well, I've smelled worse. It's gonna have to run on that because I'm out of gas right now. I don't keep much gas around here because I don't use much stuff that's gas powered. So, alright. I was thinking, yeah, I'd wired that up so that we could unhook the fuel pump. That way, when I stopped driving it, I could unhook the fuel pump and run the thing out of gas. Rare moments of me thinking ahead. Alright, let's see, this might be a two-handed operation here. I was right. Maybe that'll take a charge. Probably not. Those posts are the wrong direction. Is that even going to work? I may have to go get another battery. Nah, that'll reach. Something made a noise. Okay. Leave the key on. Let's go over here and turn the fuel pump on, plug it in. Pumping something up. I don't see any leaks so far. Just for good measure. Okay, well, let's see what happens. And I forgot to grab something to set on the seat, so just kind of hope for the best. Yeah. And the choke. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Got oil pressure. And the battery's charging. Success. Yep. I'm gonna check the water, huh? Yeah, it's some in it. We're gonna need to add a little bit. Oh, brake fluid. Before we touch the brakes, we need to go round up some brake fluid. I don't think this is all that low, but I'm gonna go ahead and top it off anyway. A little bit low. It's a big radiator though, so I don't know what that thing holds, but it's quite a bit of water. Coolant. Okay, now the important part. It's still wet inside. I'll pump the brakes and see what that does. See if we've got anything. Not really. All right, we may have to bleed those. We'll see. All right, let's see if this thing will drive out of here. Yeah. Yuck. There we go. Oh, this is a little snug. Pretty dang long. Try and get out of here. The wind noise is terrible. We're gonna run this thing back. If I remember. Oh, there we are. Okay. First, tailboard kicks up. I don't remember. Oh, no, that's okay. That's the winch line. This is, there we are. Must be low on oil. Yep. A little low. Gets low, you get an air pocket in there, and that thing just kind of freewheels. There we go. All right. And that'll work now that it's back. There's the oil tank. The shaft for the PTO. And that's the oil pump. Now we wait and see if this actually gets sold or not. That may do it for today. I thank you guys for watching. Until next time, toodaloo.